Hello Internet, and today I'm attempting my first lock disassembly. I have a broken 410. Not entirely sure if 410 is the first lock I should be disassembling, but it's what I have available. So, inside we have the two bearings, what I presume is a type of cam that engages with the core to activate the lock and unlock and lock it. Alright. This little pin needs to come off. No. Now nothing is holding the cylinder in place. Right. No. That happened far too quickly, and I don't know what's gonna go back. So I might be able to reassemble this, but I don't think the key is ever gonna work again. So that was not how I intended that to go. So yeah, I have the six springs. The spools, which are all the same size, and the six key pins. So, alright, well, it did not go as I planned. I still have all the parts. And I got another one of these broken 410s lying around, so when I feel brave enough and I figure out whether or not I can reassemble this one, or this is just now dead for all time because I'm not capable of reassembling locks, I will let you know. Until next time, subscribe if you want, and I guess most importantly, have a nice day.